What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And I can't thank you guys enough for all the support you guys have shown me and helping me grow this channel. I never thought I would even come close to doing this, but I'm really glad you guys enjoy the videos, and I hope you guys continue to enjoy them. Also, thank you guys so much for sticking with me through the last month or two, where a lot of you guys know it's been pretty rough with me getting done with school and going to the new job and moving homes, moving halfway across the country, just everything going on in my life. And I've tried to put out content. Obviously it hasn't been the best quality or as much as I used to put out, so it's been kind of slow on the channel, but I want to thank you guys so much for still supporting me in it and everything that you guys have done. So today we're going to do a 7,000 sub gift giveaway enrollment video, and it's going to be easy because I know a lot of you guys can't make videos, and you guys know I've done gift giveaways like that in the past, and a lot of other tool channels do the same, but I don't want to do every single one like that because it's not fair to everybody, and I want to make this as fair as possible. So this is going to be really simple. One of the products I'm giving away is from Tack Life, so go to Facebook if you have it. Follow the Tack Life Facebook page. It's that simple. Then all you got to do is make sure to hit the thumbs up on this video, leave a comment down below of your 2 or 3 favorite YouTube channels. They don't even have to be tool related. I love YouTube in general, whether it's racing, like Run What You Brung Racing YouTube channel, or Joe Santagato, he's like a comedian, and those are just a couple of my favorite YouTube channels. So they don't have to be tool related. They can be car related, comedy, anything and everything. You guys know, a lot of you guys know I like Dragon Ball, so if you guys have a good channel for there. I love sharing YouTube channels, so whatever it is, drop 2 or 3 of your favorite channels down in the comments, like this video, and make sure you're a subscriber. If you're subscribed and you've done those things, you will be enrolled to win these 3 items. So let's take a closer look. So what we got here is a couple of the air compressors. This is one I have yet to do a review on, but I will do it. This is up for the running of one of the items you could win, along with this. It's going to be in between the two, either this air pump or this air pump. Then I'm going to throw in this Top Don. This is a really small. This isn't something that's, you know, you're going to take to a shop and diagnose every problem on somebody's car. You know, this is a simple code reader. Now it's not so cheap like the ones you get where it just gives you, you know, the code and that's it. This does at least give you some generic information. So this is a good thing to keep in your glove box, just in case. It comes with a little user manual and all the information you need to know. And then once you have that, you can always look up more information on your phone. So this is a great little thing to keep in your car, little code reader. So we got an air compressor for roadside emergencies or anything like that. You got a little code reader, and then I just recently did a review on this, the Tack Life 18-piece half-inch drive impact socket set. Comes with a 2-year warranty, 3 extensions, a 3-inch, a 5-inch, and a 10-inch, and then 10mm all the way to 24 without skipping a size. Now these are chrome vanadium, not chromoly, but they're impact sockets, and they're a great deal. So if you're interested in these 3 items, please, all you gotta do is like Tack Life on Facebook. All you gotta do is like this video. Just go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your favorite YouTube channels, 2 or 3 of them, whatever you watch. And then make sure you subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we keep on growing. Thank you guys so much for all of your support, and that's all I can say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.